How to fix Supercell ID verification code not received. Now in this video, I'm going to show you couples of resolution for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue if you're not receiving any ID verification code on Supercell. Now the very first thing that you want to have to do is of course double check the email address that you input for you to be able to receive it on the email address which was actually being logged in on your mobile device. Next is to pull up your Gmail if you're using Gmail, and then at the upper left, tap on the three lines, scroll down, and then choose on spam. So this is usually where the OTPs or verification code will be received. So make sure that um, you have double check under spam because you might be receiving it multiple times. And take note as well that you can only try maybe once or twice for you to receive an OTP on Supercell because if you are going to be attempting it multiple times, then you will be locked out or your mobile device will be locked out. Next is to pull up your airplane mode, leave it for a couple of seconds and have it back on and retry the process it on resending the code. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Supercell ID verification code not received.